My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? My patience is waning. Is this entertaining?
Keep 8. That's enough. So what do you guys want to do?
Let's play Hop on the Bunny.
How about clean up the dining room?
Yeah, because that thing's a mess, kids.
Exactly.
All those cupcake wrappers. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. What you saying? Sorry.
All the cupcake wrappers.
Mm-hmm.
Should we take you to therapy for the cupcake, Snakey?
Should we?
No, I want to wait till it's all better.
Okay.
And
All the tube glasses.
Iggy, I'm sorry. All the candy wrappers.
Slimy.
All the Gatorade bottles and Doritos. Cause that's what gamers usually drink and eat, don't they, Junior?
Gamers are sick. The only drink and eat.
Okay, and all
Yeah.
the Hawaiian punch glasses of Hawaiian punch. It makes me feel like surfing.
Okay.
And all the tissues of people who cried all the time. And that's resolvable. Who cries all the time. I'm sorry. I listened to the song. I'm sorry.
Okay, no, stop. Okay,
Okay, I'll stop.
so you guys need to clean up now.
Can we have a couple more minutes?
No!
Just wait till I grow up. We're the first man on Saturn.
You be you, buddy.
Yeah.
But first,
Clean up.
exactly.
Yeah. Come on, guys.
Oh!
I don't mind cleaning up. I hope I find that. Wow. Hello. Guess my surf sub dreams will have to wait. Ash, my series is come to an end.
Oh yeah, then you're just...
Yeah, Ash finally became champion.
Come on, Pikachu.
I'm Sobble. My name.
Come on, Saba, you can... Well, guys, Mario all gave us jobs.
I know.
I'll get on the walls.
I dish duty first day too.
He said dining room. Come on.
Okay. All right, everyone. Stations. Okay. Bananas.
Oh, stupid wall duty. You know, it would go a lot faster if I just bump it. Yeah. I think I'll just do that. I think I'll just bump myself to the wall and then I'll bet all the dust in here will just come off. Come on, stupid! Look at that. What the heck? Uh-oh.
Give me this sometimes. I don't really.
Okay! Okay! Problem, look!
What do you do?
I was popping into the wall so see if all this dust can come off faster.
It's gonna get big. So we want. There's your kids all piled up. They're waiting for me for my concert. Yeah.
Guys! Water flood!
What? Oh no. We gotta save the puppy. Save the puppy.
When do we have a puppy?
It's not a real puppy.
Oh. Where's Ginger?
Ginger. Gotta save Ginger.
Hey, Cookie,
But yeah.
is it water?
What the heck? Uh-oh. That's not good, is
Water,
it?
Pink, and I can't swim.
Uh-oh.
Wait, first.
Don't worry, I'll carry you to safety.
No, wait. Up in that shelf, the shelf.
Oh, yeah, you want to protect as much surface as you can, right?
Yeah, I like this one.
Okay. Now, everyone, now get off and I'll swing you safely.
You know, it's not even high. We can just walk on it. Wait, I can just slip around
Yeah.
there.
Come on, up here.
Where we go?
Up here. Get everybody up here.
Oh, heck!
The mud. Get to your desk, Mario.
What?
Get to your desk, Mario. No, I'll get you out of the
Oh, crap! Yeah.
Stop pulling my hair. Oh no, I'm slipping. The water is on the...
Wait, guys, don't leave me!
Okay.
Yeah!
Get up. Hurry.
Oh!
Get on here.
Wait! Oh! Okay, did everyone make it okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Roll call! Luigi.
here.
Iggy.
Here.
No, Luigi. Here. Snaky.
Here.
Bats Jr. Here. Grookey.
Here.
Donkey Kong. Woo! Bowser.
Here.
Pikachu.
Here.
Ginger. Here. Wario.
Here.
What happened to your voice?
Here.
Is that everybody?
Yep. Wait.
What?
Roger and Sabo. And the water's already on the floor now.
No. Okay.
Mario, go rescue them.
Can you come with me?
Yeah, I'll come with you.
Come on.
I'm coming. Wash our feet.
Oh. Roger, where are you?
And Sabo.
That's Sobble. Sorry.
Roger.
Sobble. Just water.
Alright, trying to get a bit higher.
Look up there.
Yeah, I'm scared, guys. Me too.
Guys, down here. Want to push through?
The others are worried sick about you.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
We may have been forgotten.
We're so sorry.
I'm so sorry. We're promised from now on we'll be responsible.
Exactly. Responsible little.
And not forget you.
Ever.
Cannot try and get to our niche, Mario.
Oh crap! Oh, come on, Luigi. I'll grab one. Yeah, go.
I don't want kids.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I don't like this.
Okay, Roger, I'm about to throw you. Yeah. Where's Roger?
Make it.
Where's Roger?
I didn't make it.
Okay.
Walk into the toy. Walk into the just count the toys.
Ooh.
Okay, now everyone. Koopa, Sobble.
Guys, Luigi.
Roger, are you all okay?
Luigi,
Yeah, okay. Huh?
come on. You gotta check what's causing it.
Okay.
Oh.
The water's hard.
Okay,
Now
come on, swim. All right, Luigi, I'll check here. You check there, okay?
I don't see anything on here.
Luigi, do you see anything?
No.
Nothing?
No. Coming back to you.
Okay.
You see anything? Any
Luigi?
holes?
Right there, look. Come on.
Let me see where it's coming.
What did they do?
I don't know. Who's in charge of cleaning the walls?
Me?
Yeah. What'd you do?
I was kind of bashing myself against the wall, and they accidentally broke a pipe.
Oh, goodness.
Oh,
There's
two!
Hey, look at these cracks. Come on, you got to stop before it gets any bigger. It makes the water's already pretty high now.
Okay, yes, we're literally floating. Okay, think. What about the man that kind of has tape? You know that guy that slaps tape on glass?
What's his name?
I actually don't know, actually.
Do you know him?
No, like, he appears on, like, memes and stuff. Like, all you gotta do, there's a meme that's... Like,
So he's got tape on it then.
No, it was like some water tape, and we don't have any.
Oh crap! Man, it looks like we've gotta do something.
Come on, go back. You guys okay?
We're so sorry. We forgot about you three.
We would bring hot cocoa, but
You know, now's not the time.
wait, the switch.
Yes. Okay, Mario, let's go.
Junior, what are you? The switch. Yeah.
Junior, you stupid. Wait, who's yelling that? Where's Bowser?
Oh, he's right here.
Wait, son, wait.
Oh, that's fine. Did I take swimming lessons? Sobble?
Hey, Junior. So you want to go back and go
No,
for the switch?
the switch.
Okay.
There it is. Come on. Come on, get a grip. Got it. Come on.
Wait.
Mario Strikers has a demo. For what?
Whatever. Anyway,
What was that?
that was a photo.
Doesn't matter.
I was getting pretty high now.
Oh, come on. Yeah. Thanks, Sobble.
Don't mention it.
Oh, what is right doing it?
Junior.
Yeah, there.
Anyways, thank you so much, Sobble. Don't mention it, Mr. Bowser. What is the matter with you, Junior?
Sorry.
You could have died.
Look, it was the switch.
So what?
So
Your
what?
life or the Switch?
Fine.
Yes.
My life.
You should have just left it behind.
But I'll never do that. You know. I won't. Okay. Let's not. Okay. That doesn't matter. We need to focus about how to fix that leak. Bowser, do you know that he caused it? Why? This is not the time. You come
I'm just joking.
Oh, but seriously though, I did cause it.
So, Mario, what's the plan?
I need something. Let's think. Think. Come on, Mario. Have one of those brainy moments.
I'll go look for something. Anyone wants to come with me?
I'll do it. Let's ride.
Fun ending? Should we go back? Okay.
Oh my gosh! Crap, it's in the bed!
Where's my scared buddies?
Sobble, you're here. Now you can join the scared buddies again.
Okay.
Are these,
I know. I can use my
So,
Super
are
Saiyan Blast!
so are these three the frightened ones of the group now?
No.
At the moment?
You're stupid. I can use my Super Saiyan Blast!
Alright.
Are you kidding me? This is Dragon Ball Z!
Where's Luigi?
Bro! Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm
It's so
scaring me.
crowded here.
I know, but this is...
We need to stop sitting on each other.
Yeah, just...
Where's Nakey? I'm sorry.
What do you say?
Our home is flooding. And look at this. Soon we're going to find a new spot to hide in. And this is the only spot I know of.
Yeah. We caught it in the refrigerator, but that's just not enough space.
We need to feed all of us.
Come on, Mario.
I know. I got an idea.
What?
What if someone goes under, unscrews this from that, and then this top part could float up.
No. No, that will never work.
You Niggy?
Yeah, no. Yeah.
You actually are so sneaky.
Oh, no, Iggy, that won't work.
What are we gonna do? The water's getting higher. I don't want to drown.
Oh.
I'm starting to feel water on my feet.
Hmm?
I'm starting to feel water on my feet.
Oh my gosh! It's your feet!
That means most of the house is underwater by now.
Oh. You know what, guys? I know what I have to do. The water stopped, right?
I know, stop rising.
That means
Mario, plug the leak. Bro, we gotta find a way to drain all the water that came up. Where is he now?
I think he's still in there, right?
Well, he passed out.
Oh yeah, I think you should go.
Me?
Yes, you!
Okay, should I take Sabo?
Yeah, take some more.
I'm too scared.
What?
Sabo, you can do this. You are the brave one. Okay.
Yeah!
Don't worry.
Guys!
I'll just shoot
God, no, guys! I'm awake. Guys. Sabo, you ready? I know to. You got this, Sabo.
One last time.
One last time. Okay. Ah!
Of course, we have to open both doors. And yeah, okay. Here we go. Last one.
Sabo, we did it!
Yay! Back to cuddle covers.
Guys, it's done!
Yeah.
Right, Dynamite grounded.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I shouldn't use the word bro if it sounds weird.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, son, you are. Mario almost drowned.
Yeah.
Mario, what happened? You do so fine. What was it like passing out?
I just then I just blacked out.
Oh?
So yeah, all in it goes well.
Man, I'm hot.
Hot. I'm hot to death.
I don't think I got wet.
Oh
Only my feet got wet, so.
well, I'm gone.
Wait, what are we gonna do for damages?